gosh.
Yeah, you could feel that?
I can feel
It's quite tight. Big breath. Just relax.
Okay.
Yeah, let it go, yeah. That's it, let it out. Just move that leg up. Yeah. I think there's a few similarities with this and the, WWF, I think it's called.
Yeah. You might get a submission.
Yeah. We want that tension to let go. I'll just get you to come back a little bit to the edge of the table over here. And feel how I still haven't done this arm, it's like quite a lot tighter than the rest of your body. Like, look at just the feeling in your hand is so stiff, right, let's get you facing up and finish up. If you weren't that tight and I went that deep, it wouldn't hurt. It would just feel really good.
Wow.
Yeah, I've had people where I worked on with all my strength and they're not that tight and they just go, oh, that's great.
Damn.
Yeah. One time, I still remember when I first started working on, not first, but like back in the 90s kind of thing. I was working on this lady for a number of sessions, and by about session number 5, she goes, are you going as hard as you used to? I'm going twice as hard. She's going, wow, it doesn't hurt anymore. But she wasn't as tight as you, so it's going to take a little while before you get there.
That lemon myrtle, you're right. I'm going to look that up and see if there is a U.S. company that produces like a...
Yeah, because I was
soap like
looking
that.
on Amazon.
Are you already looked and you couldn't find it?
No, I mean, you can get the essential oil, but it's not like the... It seems like it's only in Australia.
I wonder if you could just buy like a Castile soap and just put a couple drops in there.
Of course you could, yeah.
That might be the ticket. Because that stuff's like...
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and yet it has all these... It has more therapeutic
Antiseptic.
properties than tea tree oil, but it
what I'm
smells
going to
good.
do is put it on my toe, because I have, like I've been like putting coconut oil on my toenail for like...
Yeah.
For like 6 months, and it still hasn't totally gone away, the fungus thing.
Yep.
And I think that would be a good thing to put on there,
Yeah, exactly. I agree. I won't do too much on your face around your eyes because I do have a little bit of that oil residue on my hands, and I don't want to make it can make you sting a bit. Pure lemon myrtle oil can melt plastic, from what I've heard. It's quite strong, so.
Melt plastic?
Yeah, like if you put it on, I haven't seen it, but I've heard, that's what people have said to me.
Okay.
So it's not verified.
Okay.
But you can smell the strength in it,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It smells like that, and it has that clean kind of
very clean, fresh,
that you could use it as a cleaning.
Yeah, you can put it in this, like for people that, like when you're doing massage and like a lot of people are letting go of energy, you can put it in an essential oil burner to clean the room. I put it in a spray bottle and I spray it around when there's bad energy been emitted. Relax.
I feel like really relaxed.
Yeah. Nothing like a nice relaxing massage, honey. It's like, you're like, well, I just said I'm relaxed, but the actual massage itself was somewhat, uncomfortable. I don't want to take that away because I went through it and I deserve credit,
The bottom of your feet is like that's like a really, yeah. I guess it's just like the like you say, depending on what you're,
Yeah. How
what,
tight you are.
how somebody, but it's like that's kind of like intriguing, like like that lady, like,
Oh yeah.
you sure you're really massaging me? I'm going twice what I usually do.
Yeah. It's because people think, oh, I am hurting you. No, I'm bringing attention to where you're tight and I'm getting you to breathe in and release it. That's what I'm doing. And if you've released that tension, it no longer hurts, because it just gives. Someone that's not tight, when I push on it, it just gives. You can see even your tummy now, it's just that first few layers now are starting to give. But then if I go deeper,
Oh, yeah.
it's not, right?
Yeah.
And that's where the pain is still.
But I can feel it. It is moving better.
Yeah,
Like,
well, it is. It's like a couple, like if we had 7 layers, just for argument's sake, if there were 7 layers of tension, and I'm not saying there is, I'm just saying if there is, then maybe we've gone through 3 of them, right?
Yeah.
But when we hit 4 and 5, then it's still there,
Yeah.
And that's because that band is coming from the big toe, right from the big toes is the big toe belly band. And there's still tension in your big toes. But we got some of it out. We got the first few layers. And before, when I used to, when I first touched you here, you were jumping through the roof. I couldn't do this,
That is weird.
Yeah, and now
I mean,
you're,
like
and I've hardly touched your tummy,
That's just like, that's like, I mean, how
Yeah.
messed up I came in here.
Yeah, because like now I'm digging in, like I'm digging in, and you're just like, yeah, whatever, it's all right.
Well, that's good to hear.
Yeah, so definitely an improvement. All right, I'll let you rest there. Take your time.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.